bought your head, O Hussein. I'm grieving, mourning, can you feel my pain? I bought your head, O Hussein. With all these tragedies and mayhem, keep me sane. Witness the river of blood leaking from lane to lane, unstoppable crying like thunder rain. I saw the evil, the bloodthirst, the inhumane. After 40 days, your head is placed by your grave. Your body in pieces signifies you were brave. It was you, Hussein, that they had to save. Dark hallucinations of when they slave. Out of joy they laughed and gave a cold wave. I am Amma Zainab, the one who saw, the one who felt the flesh blood raw, occasions that occur yet leave me unsure, the one who's wounded and dragged across the floor. I am Amma Zainab, the one who can't take it anymore. They are carrying the heads from the tragic war. I'm Amma Zainab, I lived the losses, I heard the rapid horses, I felt all the pain it causes. I'm Amma Zainab, I heard the responses, I made empty promises. Listen to me. How is Abbas buried with barely a hand? How is Qasim going to fight for this land? How did Ruqayaa choke on this very sand? What about you, Hussein? You left us to save Islam, yet here I stand. You were slaughtered in a way that I still don't understand. I'm broken, I'm torn, I'm Amma Zainab. The Amma Zainab that wiped tears and held them together. The Amma Zainab that emotion sensitive just like a feather. I'm Amma Zainab, the one who saw her family leave one by one and never returned. I'm Amma Zainab, the one who walked on tents as they burned. I'm Amma Zainab. I'm Amma Zainab.